Hello and welcome back to Weyermann's Whimsy. For this Fun Fold Friday, we are going to make this Christmas cracker gift packaging. I got the idea from Sam Hammond, who's a demonstrator in the UK, and her YouTube channel is Poodle's Papercraft. So I'll put the link in my description, and I encourage you to go and look at some of her videos. So what we've done is I've used the Ever Eden Designer Series paper, and I've got some gold ribbon and some of the soft succulent ribbon as well. The greeting is from Encircled in Warmth, the Joyful Season, and I've cut it out with one of the Encircled in Beauty dies. I've already pre-done that so that we can just concentrate on doing the Christmas cracker. You can use them for anything you want. You can use them as place settings. You can put people's names on them. And you can make them in anything that you want. So what we need is a piece of Designer Series paper, 8 by 8.5. So this is the 8.5 side. And on the 8.5 side, we need to score it. We're going to just move this up here. I'm hoping that I'll move this down so you can see what I'm doing. We need to score it at 2 inches, at 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. So that gives us that 1/2 inch flap to help secure it all together. And now you're going to turn it to the 8-inch side, and you're going to score it 2 inches. I'm just going to bump this up so we are at 2 inches and at 6 inches. All right. Okay, so that is all taken care of. We've got the scoring at 2, 4, 6, and 8, and at 2 and 6. Here we go. Yep, 2 and 6. So the 2 and 6, I'm going to fold back on itself because I want this fold to kind of fold in. This is the piece that's actually going to be the neck of the cracker. So then I'm going to come through here, and I'm just going to use my bone folder to just strengthen up those lines. Okay, and then we will cut the rest. All right. So we are going to kind of accordion this up. We're going to fold back and on itself so you can see it's like that. Then we're going to take the 2-inch folds at the end, and we're going to cut them. We need to leave a little bit of space here so that we've got something to connect everything. But we're going to come in about 1/3 of the way down and nearly to the middle, and we're just going to cut that corner off like that. Then we're going to do the same on the other side, about 1/3 of the way down, almost to the middle. So that's what you have. And then we're going to come down onto the other side, do the same thing, about 1/3 of the way down, almost to the middle, 1/3 of the way down, almost to the middle. You need a good pair of scissors to do this. So that's the shape that you end up with. And you can unfold it, and you can adhere this in a variety of ways. You've now got this tab here, and that's how we're going to attach it together. You can use your liquid glue, and you might just need to hold it together, or you can use your Stampin' Seal. And I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal on this, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to fold this over and join it up like that. Okay, so that is our cracker put together, and I'm just going to kind of work those ends in. Sometimes they need a bit of encouragement just to flex in the way we need them to. And I'm going to wrap the ends with the 2 layers of ribbon. I was just going to use the soft succulent ribbon, and I realized that it needed a bit more bling. Just needed a little bit more, especially with this Ever Eden paper. It is got the gold in it, so it's really needs that little extra bit of bling. So because there's nothing in this, it makes it a little bit more difficult. I'm just going to pull that up tight. I'm just going to use my bone folder to pop this out so that it is where I need it to be. And then I'm just going to tie it in a bow. And we'll go from there. And we'll just pop that through like that. And we're going to start again. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I struggle to get a bow going on the first go. Usually when I'm practicing doing the demo for the video, it works like crazy, just no problem right out of the gate. And then of course I come to the video and it just won't play. So then you just kind of pop your pieces out so you get that kind of the square popped out look. And we're going to do the same with the other piece. So let's just tie this up. And I do really encourage you to go and look at the Poodles Paper Co. Channel on YouTube. She's got some fantastic ideas, nice quick videos, really effective. So we've got this here all tied up like this, and I'm just gonna again pop those out, and there you have your Christmas cracker. And then I have just taken as they say, I gold embossed the joyful season and then cut it out with the Encircled in Beauty die. I put some dimensionals on the back, and I'm just going to center it on the cracker like that. And there we go. Really, really pretty, quick and easy way to package a small gift or to mark a place setting. So thank you very much for watching, and let's create together again soon.